Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader here for Mr. Topstep with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. So Friday, big down day. Traded as low as 11.47 half. We closed 11.54 half. We opened up last night between good news out of the Black Friday shopping, some good news out of Europe. It was kind of this little, mixture of good news. It's got everybody optimistic, or at least thinking that the move on Friday really did get overdone. We popped up the trade. It opened right around the 45-day pivot at 11.71, and it straddled that for a little while. We made about a 10-handle move up, then a very violent candle down late Sunday night. But that violent down candle was held in by the 45-day pivot, and we rallied off of that, and we're currently trading 11.87 half, which is just under the 9-day pivot, 11.87.75, and the 9-day has pretty much held this move in so far. So we have a big gap open. We're up 3%. We're up 34 handles from Friday's close. So, do you really think I'm going to sit here and tell you that right now, at 8:55 a.m. Eastern Time, is the time to buy? No. Okay? The buying was last night. Okay? Because you have to ask yourself, what's more likely? Are we going to go up another 2% from here? Or is this opening going to get faded a little bit, and then we'll find a higher low, and then we can get long? If you're ready to get long, you've got to get patient instead. Wait for this thing to pull back, then you can get long. Okay? If you're very aggressive on the short side, your stop is there. The 1190 level, you can put one on with a fairly tight stop and see if the opening gets faded. But if you stick to that stop, because we could easily run up another 1%. We could see a test of 1200, but know that from 1204 to 1208, I talked about last week, there's all those multiple fib levels in there, and now you've got moving averages that are just above there. So once we get into you get above 1203 into 1204 to 1208, it starts to get very, very heavy from a resistance perspective. Okay, so I don't buy 3% up opens. I don't do it. And I very rarely find myself sitting here saying, gosh, I really wish I had bought that 3% up open. So we'll see what happens this morning. Be careful, trade what you see, use stops, be hedged. Okay? Let's go right into support and resistance. Current trade 11.88. So on the upside, and 88 is multiple fibs and the 9-day pivot. So we're right on a level right now. Above that, 11.94, which is your 20-day pivot. 1204 to 1208, those multiple fib levels, then 1213, 1218, and 1223. On the downside, 1183, 1178, 1170, 1162 to 1163, and then 1158. So everybody have a great Monday. Hope everybody had a fantastic holiday. Mike Vacchi, Princeton Trader for Mr. Topstep. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well. Have a good one.